Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship for Windy City. Today, I want to speak about understanding and valuing your fit in your organization. You're kind of like, what does that mean? Where are you? Where's the best place for you to be? And when that best spot is identified, how you become comfortable with it. That's what we're going to talk about. As your career moves along, you get opportunities to grow. Hey, they did this, they can do this. I was in the restaurant industry for years. A restaurant manager is a general manager of one location. To get promoted to be a director, he has to take on 10 locations. If he wants to become a regional, he takes on 50. The issue with that sometimes is he might have been a great director of 10 locations because they were all in the same city and he could get to them all the time. So he had a form of micromanagement. When he got 50, he couldn't get there. And all of a sudden, everybody's going, what happened to Jimmy? How come Jimmy's not as great as he used to be? Well, you've extended Jimmy beyond what he can do. There's a limit to everybody. But you try, but that's what happens. Facility managers, same way. Can you manage 50? Yeah. Can you manage 100? Yeah. 200? Well, might be a number that you can't do. It's more than you can manage depending on how your management style is. So you do one of two things. You adapt to be able to do more, or you end up kind of here's the limit. And we all want to move because every time you move and every time you move up, you look at that as I get more money, I get more stock options, I get more benefits, I get longer vacation times, I get all these things because I'm moving up. And that's why. But are you as valuable? Is that the role that you really need to be in? And you have to take a look at it yourself. Are you happy? Would you do this new job if you got promoted as well as you did the one that you had? Tell you a story from Ruby Tuesday days. I was a director. I was actually a senior director. The last step before you become a VP. I wanted like everybody else. I want to be a VP. More money, more stuff. Yeah, sure. Why wouldn't I? I want to continue to grow. President of our company sat me down. One of the hardest conversations I ever had to live through. You're not going to be a VP. But I'm going to tell you why. Your value is in the exact job that you're doing. The highest value to the company as a senior facility director. This is what you do. This is the ownership you have in it. These are the kind of areas that you have carte blanche on to do whatever you think is right, and you make that happen. And you're really good at it. If I move you to a VP position, I'm going to put you in an office, and you're not going to be doing that every day. You're going to be looking at reports, and you're going to be looking at this. You're going to answer 50 questions from the finance department or whatever it may be, or legal, or whatever. You're not helping my locations. That's not what you do. That's why you're not. Like a ton of bricks just hit me. What do you mean? It's like, you'll hate this job. You will hate it. I've worked with you for 20 years. You're going to hate it. It's not you. You like results. You like results driven. You like this. You like managing it, saying, give me the mission, tell me what the goals are, and let me go do it. That's not how a VP position works. It's different. It'll drive you crazy. You probably don't like me today, but someday you're going to understand this. My role, this is what the person said. She said, my role in this is to help make sure everybody in the company understands that the role you're doing today is the best position for you in our company and to reward you appropriately for doing that. That's my job. And I'll do everything I can. But I'm doing this because you're in the spot that is contributing the most value to our company. And I don't want anybody else in that role except you. It's a pretty telling conversation, but you got to listen to it. Because when I got home, she was right. She was right. looking at reports all day and this and that and those kind. That's not me. That's not what I do. I'm a doer. Give me a problem. Let me go fix it. That's what I do. It's what I want to do. Again, give me the mission. Give me the rules. I got you. I'll take care of it. It's coming to the understanding where I'm the best fit. Taking a job that is higher and so on, but it's not you. You could try it, but you also have to be very honest with yourself. Where's my best fit? Where's my best value? There are people that are made to be vice presidents. They're made to. But they couldn't do what I would do ever. There are things they do I can't do. Everybody has it. There's a reason a guy's a shortstop and he plays every single day, and another guy's a utility infielder. There's a reason for that. So understanding your value is important. Understanding your fit and where you are providing the most value for your organization is also as important. You got to understand it, and you got to trust those that you work for will help make that position the best they can for you, because they understand you're in a role that is contributing the best for the company. That's it. Thank you so much for listening every time. If you ever have any comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from them. Any ideas you want us to talk about, please let me know. Thank you very much. We'll see you next week.